Welcome to ClickAlgo Zen. This is your AI assistant for building cTrader trading tools. You can create automated strategies, custom indicators, trading panels, dashboards, and plugins, all without writing code. Let's get started. Hello there. Today I'm going to create a trading statistics dashboard indicator for the cTrader trading platform using Xen AI. So we're going to use the AI to create a dashboard indicator. You won't need any coding experience for this. So if you're just a trader and you want to create it, I'll show you how to do it. If you are a developer, you can click the code view at the top, and from the code view, it will display the code at the same time. You can edit and copy the code and edit it anywhere you want. You've also got repair mode where you can edit the code in repair mode, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this as if you're a standard trader and you don't know how to code. So the first thing you need to do is come up with your user requirements. So this is your user prompt. So you need to describe exactly what you want developed, what you want seen on the chart. So you want to tell Zen what you want displayed on the chart, what kind of information. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the model. You want to select for your first thing you want to create your dashboard. Anything to do with user interfaces or display panels on the chart, Claude Sonnet is probably one of the best ones to use. So I've already selected Claude Sonnet. What you want to do now is click Build a UI Dashboard Indicator. That's the task you want to select. I'm now going to copy and paste the requirements or the user prompt in there, and I'm going to click Send. So Zen will do one of two things. It'll either come back and ask you to clarify a few of your requirements, or it'll go ahead and just build your dashboard straight away. Okay, so it's come back and built the dashboard for us. So it tells you what's changed, what it's done, asks you next steps. The first step you want to do after it's created it is click the verify build. This just makes sure that the CBOT that's been developed or your indicator will compile and it will run on cTrader. And it's come back and said there's been an error, that it's failed. You can click on the show technical details just to see what it is. But really, you just want to repair it. Now I'm going to switch this to GPT Codex because that's probably the best model for repairing. And I'm going to let that run on GPT Codex. Okay, it's come back now and it's building the indicator again for us. And it's worked okay. So the steps that we followed was to push in our requirements. It came back, there was a bug in the code. We fixed it with GPT Codex, and now it's come back corrected. So to install it into cTrader, to publish it to cTrader, you click on the Download Algo button here. This will come up on your browser window. You click on there, and that'll open up cTrader, and it will install the dashboard straight onto cTrader. So there you go. There's our dashboard that we asked for here in the top right-hand corner. Now, what I'm going to do next is another change. I'm going to actually ask Zen to make this a draggable panel, because at the moment, the only way to adjust this panel is to go to Object Manager, Indicators, and in the settings, I can change the position of this indicator, top left, left, bottom right. So what I want to do instead is I want this to be draggable, so I can drag it anywhere on the chart. So I'm going to go back to Zen, and I'm going to say, make this draggable panel. Okay, I'm going to ask it to make it a draggable panel. I'm going to click send, and I'm going to sit back and hopefully that will make the adjustments. It's just asking for what requirements that we want. Should the dashboard start top left, bottom right? I'm just going to say I just want the dashboard to be draggable any. I'm just going to make that clear exactly what I want. Okay. Okay, that's come back now and that's actually made the changes. So the next thing we want to do is click verify build. And that should build okay. And the next step is to download the algo file. Comes up with the next version, click on there, and the draggable panel should appear on the chart here. And here we go, it's worked. So this is the draggable panel now that we can drag out anywhere on the screen. So I hope this is a good demonstration to show you a very basic example of how to create a dashboard. You can obviously add additional steps now. So we've now just created something very basic, but you can start adding new features. So if you wanted to add more position management information and other stuff like that, you can do it. So that's all possible. But this was just an example to show you how to use Xen AI to do it with no coding experience. And just need to use learn how to use Xen. If you are a developer, you can just go to code view and you can actually view the code. And from the code view, you can make all the changes. Even if you're not a developer, you can validate the requirements. You can upload images. So say the dashboard wasn't how you want it to look, you could upload an image of the dashboard and you can ask it for changes. Again, in my other videos, I explained about projects that you can save it as a project and you can come back to it later. And you've got snapshots. These are our snapshots of all the changes that we've done as we've gone along, and you can restore to any point. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you today. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much.